We have Carla and Calvin over here. We'll have you here. Okay, now it's very simple. It's very simple. We're gonna watch a clip of one of James and Nadine's best scenes, and then you guys will be reenacting them. Okay? Now, once you guys do it with each other, we're gonna pick. Pipili tayo. James and Nadine are gonna help as well. Kung sino, which one of our two pairs advances to the finals.
Yes, and the finals is where it's at. Okay, so what you guys are gonna do is you're gonna scream and clap your loudest.
Pagdating nyo sa finals, ang ka-exen, you'll split up at ang ka-exena nyo, si James and si Nadine.
Oh, diba? So you get to have your own little scene with Nadine and James.
Alright, so, are we ready? Team 1, Team 2, are we ready? This is the clip. Ito yung clip na i-reenact natin.
Panoorin nyo, ha?
Okay,
Study well.
Alright, panoorin natin to.
Ano pong may paglilingkod ko sa inyo?
Bakit dito lang bakit?
In fairness sa'yo, ikaw lang di nakapansin.
Bakit?
Wala! Alam mo bang may paglilingkod ko sa inyo, Your Highness?
Linis mo to lahat. Now,
Ano po bang gagawin niyo sa mga papel na pag-iipunin o itatapon?
tapon.
Tapon? Umaba!
Sige na.
Ang hirap ng scene na yun, ha? In fairness!
You know, alam mo, this is how you know it's real. Alam mo, you know how you know it's real?
How?
Kasi they're watching their own scene that they shot, they rehearsed, and they've seen before. Tapos pareho silang kinikilig.
Oh my God!
Kinikilig sila sa sarili nila.
Kinikilig tayong lahat, okay?
Okay, now, Carla and Calvin, you guys are going first, okay? So Baldo, we will have you guys there on the side. Calvin and Carla, it's your time. It's your time to shine right now. Before we have our teams compete, James, do you have a piece of advice for both teams?
Yeah, acting advice for this tough scene.
Siguraduhin mo naka-flex ka pag nagkakamot ka. We're gonna have you guys go, all right? Good luck, guys. Okay, so Marla, you're gonna come through the door. Parang talaga. Kailangan you're coming in from the door, okay? So dito ka magagaling. This is my mic, Carla.
Mics?
Tama ba ito sa dito?
Alright, guys, ready? Are you ready? Lights, camera, action.
Sino ka na doon? Sino bang president?
Labas ka na! Labati ka na ni Nadine.
Nakatingin ka lang? Bakit? Ouch!
Hindi ko lang hindi nakapansin.
Bakit?
Wala. Alam mo, may tutulirin ko sa inyo. Your Highness.
Kiss mo. Now!
Oh, now!
Ano po gagawin ko sa mga kapit na ito? Iipunin o itatapon?
Tapon.
Tapon.
Sige na! Ganda ka na. Okay, alright, that's pair number 1. Carla and Calvin.
I like that. In fairness to Calvin, he's got the look down. Carla had that moment with her hair.
And hindi nakalimutan ni Calvin mag-flex.
Oo nga, nag-flex siya. Kahit naka-jacket.
Dami.
At ang lamig kasi ngayon.
Dami flex.
Push mo yan, Calvin.
Ising ka.
Okay. So that was